Tau whakakore wai he wau te rio. Just to po whetu o. Eki Jesu Kristo. Rotonga oe pai e whanua roto i au e tolu. I whatop tāpu i angai whanua roto ki nau tolu koe ku nau tui ki a te koe. Te neongo tāko tope he kere kere hau nau sino. Kau nau whalala te nau toi tūhake. O hange koho toi tūhake. Tuku mai ki sio mau toko tahani. Sias tu pou whetu. Kene toka awhie maari e whanua rotoni. O au ke aho te ke toi ha ere mai ai. A koe koe toi tuu pia moe mo ui. O whotua ke ia i he koloria. Tawange ik Jesu. Kene mātai malama o whafonga. E pure anga koe o kia whio ai. O tai ngata. Pia tai ngata. Amen. E rau lotu whataha lotu koe. E ako te kina mai ki tau tolu ki ai e Jesu.
E mauta moia ki e mani ke nā mua.
Fiso tau tō tā koe ni ko siaus tu pou whetu. Kere hike atu me māma koe ni ke a te ia. Tau tū rewa no sino ke kere kere pe koe na ngauhi a kia. Ko ki tau tolu koe efu. Pea ko pau ke tau tō ririu pe koe efu. Ko Kristo pea toko tāna e whakatuha ke me he mate. Pea o tau iloi pau. Ten toi whakatuha ke ho tau sino ala mate. Ke tau whata tau ai ki a te ia ki ono langi langi. Tau whake atio tau toko tahani ki heiki. Wange tāria heiki ki ene merino. Te whakatuha ke ono sino ki aho whakamui. Mau kore no hufanga ia Jesu Kristo ko alo ka ko mau eiki. Amen. Ake te ure wā. Sas whetu. Whaeri ki ono wā. Tonga e kukua māti wa ki skai ngai kura katorio. Manatu, siastupo, fetu. Ko efu. Iko liriu pe ko efu. Ei ki o toa ko tamai maf. Pamoni e mautuina pe kia pe to tuo alo ko ia ko ki mautol. Kawange mo mauto ko ta koin. Siastupo, fetu. Kenena se misterin. Onge kune mo mua tukia se su kono malolo anga i he tui. Kawang kene mau ia te ia i whiawhia e toi tu o. Mau kore na hupanga ia se su Kristo ko alo ka ko mau eiki. Amen. Te ipekia se su e kolosina ne fuaki mai ai ne fae ko e tau fae. Tau kore be hupake tau fae ko Maria. I lau Mari e sias tu po feto o. Kai maasi kai nga pekia ko tau be i fai tokan. Sodofa Maria, ia te koe eiki, monu ia koe whine fuabe, whai tāwe kena e fuaho mana māko sesu. Santa Maria, whai ai o tua, ia mātoro hao i ahoi, mai a whoge mama te Amen. Eiki e ke alofa mai, alfoge silau maari e siastu po feto o, kai maasi kainga pekia ko tāpe, ke nau toka e merino a Kristo. Amen. Ka wangi ke a whio e te kamautolu a iki. Hifo mai tā pā ke toa maa whakawhi, na whi ai o bobo ui ka maa mō ngai whamiri. A honi pe mo aha ko toa pe koe tamai, mo alo, mo lau maare maano ni. Amen. Mo wa, kane mo ofa mo tauhi ai pe, ki he iki.
Profeta Jiro tua.
Kalau mau kamu main selalu. Kota puki buni malu ala tata tahu. Oku dia fio. Ya do fio anga o ma nyo di fau. Kota badu. Ya padare ita kolo matang. Kota kilot. Kota bodan ke fahu. Koi fagalaglag. Mo ki bamba, oi pekia ha koin. Katuk mo ke fagado de fotogia koin. Peki fana o feina me langi. Ta bega fa mo puna. Ne fa tofia ke fa mi koin. Katuk ke fa ya tu fa malo. O malo tu pate dei ta kolo matang. Malo mo tu ku taibi. Ilo fe mo kina ho fatongia. O ke me anga ki kempela. O whakato e misa top tap wane po. Ahoni. Ke toi mea mai. O whakahaere atu pou. Petu. Ki hono toka anga. Koe maurea pea ka whawhetai mo whakamalo. Pea toi ta whakamalo ke komunio. Tau hima pure ngā ue o kempela. Malo e whai whatongia poto. Na whakatutu uta e wholau koe ni. Nā kupehe teu tu uta e tau whoou. Tā koe ko sita tau mai e ta mai koe ni. Talu e tō e pōpō uri koe ni o api. Mō tua mai tauhi. Pure ngā ue me komunio a kempela. Mo hu feki a tahi ne ko tapo ko Maria mo lo sario. Ka ulau tapua kai ko ulau koloa. Yo whakabonu ai hala whanonga ko te ue whanonga. Tau toi tai whakamalo, make. Ke tuo me whine o tu pou. Aho ni ko ngoi ko ulang ia. Yo mea mai. Me mea poane, ke whakai ke ka hotunga ane a koen. O wonga ia te si whanau off, ia te koe. O toi nai whakamalo ma ke. Ke si ka inga, olo tolua. Ularia, mo toi ngā o whanau. Malo mua e mana tu ki whaitoka. Malo e fie kau ngā ngō. Laglangi e tamai koeni. Yo tūta whāki mai i hoku whaingata ia. Talu. Me wholau hola e tamai koeni. Malo e ofa tau kete. O ke tātāna ki mai ho whanau. Whai whakano whalanglangi e tamai koeni. Ato whakamalo. Ke ngaunga maheni. Ka inga. Pege komunio. O mare ki wila. Palo mai o ngō. O whai mata o te whini mo siwa. O mō piki piki hama mai o mama ai whatongia. Nai mamafa i o kuma. Wha malo te ki mou tolu koto pe si kau wipi. Malo e ofa. He mata o kowe whine koen. Mo kau ngā o mea mai. Ke whakalangilangi a koen. Aho ni tupou. Amusia koe. Ke mata. Ai mea nā ke whakaamua. Ke whalala o whata mo tui mo whalala. Ke o tua nā ke tui ki ai. Upou. Whapopou ngātu. Ka inga me he loto kai anō. Me api nai lata i o whata mai. Api ko haa anō. Me he hala tonga rewa. E ma ofa kia te koe me popoaki. Whola wā. Whola wā e kone ko nau tari mai. Ake tāla atu ho ma ofa. Ya ki nau tōlu nau mua atu. Ka tuku ke tau pehu whaki aki pe. E hala whono ngā ku mau te waki atu. Ake mua. Ka mau toki mui atu. O whalahi atu ia te koe. Wangone more, si ka inga ofa. Whonuaini o whe mo kina. Tā ko hanga tokai homo mea mai. Ke lawa kauru se whai homo ui. E ngai ngā ue anga. Ka ke mea mai ki tau kwa ngā whātaha a koini. Koe osi pe ni. Koe tau osi ia. Whoki a hake. I hifo, mo mahe loto. Ka toki aha toe. Tuku ke utok whaka kato. Paka iloa kato ke toi hau. Te waka lau ngai waka se suka ke hoko eni. Koe pepe osi koe osi. Ka hiri pe ni. Ko ratu. Koe ia kipu vai mo moko he. Te tewe tefni. So sefo mo whaka mo puna. Koe tua sila ko ware re whapalangi. Mui at beha ta. Popo ke mo uha mea. Alu ko kia sayang ia. Malo. Koe tau tala whatongi a pe ia. Rewa malanga kau tatau atu. Kada kita koe tua sila koe Frekio Katolika kalap. Tapung kalap. Saya tu bukan kuri koe pau koe meba. Highway. Koe dah malu sebelum di mama pe. Oh, kau siapa kata apa? Mui kau dah yang apa? Anak saya di atas pulau. nakangau
The legs, more the legs, more down here. Just mount it up, yeah. Just try to push this side up.
We in here, we go now.
Yeah, where what Nunes doing, yeah. Just thinner.
Like papaya.
Put over this one.
We gonna get like papaya. So the museo na dia.
Yeah, take it.
The pie is simple. Pie is simple when you go ahead and keep this. I don't know. Thank you, brother.
Absolute pleasure. Thank you. Grab some water.
Yeah, maybe the one is still at home, right? My one is already home.
Got any more, Amanda? That's it? Did you want us to do anything else? Put the flowers on or anything?
No, girls can do it. All good. Thank you.
Condolences to everybody. And next time I hope to see you under different circumstances.
Yeah, my day.
Not a funeral. Wish you all the best.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Everyone, 3, 2, 1.
Matan! Chúc! Quyết tâm chi của chị.
Now get a long handle shovel. Get 2 boys. Put on the top of the level bed. Get one long handle. Yeah. One big side. Run on the top of the level. Back and forth. Go move the flower. Go more forward. I get even up. Oh yeah, I left flower. What about that big?
That's it. So, take it from 3, 2, 1. Last shit. Oh, one more shit? 3, 2, 1.
What it? Doctor said to take that food in my car. Over there. You lift them up. So real flowers on the bottom, fake on the top. Real flowers on the bottom. Just this basket, right? Put it on this side. You get what I mean? You can put this down. Yeah, like that. Yeah. And on the other side?
What day is it? If it's a weekend, I'll probably work. If it's a weekday, I'll probably work.
Sweet.
Mina. So, polaga ay matalaya ka o pola kaya. Yeah, it will look nice. Because if it's windy, it's gonna blow off.
Now he's saying
So, yeah, pola mi olunga ke mapola ko.
you are allowed to put them down in the hole. You are allowed to do that. So you take a necklace and just follow the lead, push them out. Yeah? So, wait, Mary. You're right, you're doing the right thing. Take these two off. Because remember, we've got to do the top. Yeah? Did you want them long ways? Okay, we want them long ways like this way. Yeah? Thank you, guys. Thank you very much. Gonna Mary. You guys give to Mary and Mary does the facing out. Yeah? No one you help with that one. Yeah? Thank you very much. And at the bottom here goes this one. Remember how it was last night? Like a blanket of flowers like that. I believe so. Pastor Mary and
what about that one in the middle on the top?
okay, no. Yeah. But it lives in the basket.
Oh, okay.
Put long way.
Put long ways Yoluma.
Like this?
Yeah.
Move na sisi na kahoa. Patukai ko ba kahoa te. That's it.
Oh, yeah.
Now you continue on
Kaya
there.
haule ba ukahawa mo ka ba mo? Mo kitsa pa ba ni mo? Ay mo.
Just so he holds it down if you get
Twist it around. Because then you're going to get the fake ones in it and yeah, cover the front. But just go around, see, Telena's got the This is real. Thank you, Mary. Oh, Grandpa, look, Mary's putting your kahoa. Let's go for a cup of tea tonight, Grandpa. Turn on her kitchen lights. Turn on your kitchen lights on and off, on and off. And I'll block Mary's number so she doesn't call me. Are they fake, sis? Oh, just put them back, lay them down there. So this is real, Mary? Up to you where you put it. Oh, yeah, give Mary the real one. Do you know the others tell you? Yeah. Oh, is it straight up or so? Holy. Double check with the coin. Please. Check with me. It's Stratfield Golf Club, isn't it? Stratfield Golf Club. It's started to like the front. Yes? Just Stratfield Golf Club. Can you take a photo of me?
Yeah, do it again. Ready, man?
Yeah.
Everyone watch. This is the king. Ready? Yeah, ready? 3, 2, 1. Anyone else want to jump in?
Jump in, guys.
Tiffany, you want to take the photo? Oh.
I'll hold the other side.
Ready? 3, 2. Hey, look, they mock me and then they do it. Ready? 3, think too busted it. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Whoa.
Can I ask my grandpa's pahu to come forward, please, to have a picture with grandpa's malai?
Ready, Auntie? 3. 3. Ready? 3. Swing, quick. Okay, use 4. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Last one.
No, please ask my Galpoka family to come forward for Kamole Mole. Also, please ask my Auntie Frida, Ekibe, for Kamole Mole, to come forward and take photos with Papa. Kamole Mole.
Frida!
Thank you.
You're just like your brother.
Ready on 3, 1. Wait up, me too. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Oh, unfollow. No. Can I show you? I can't see.
Oh, we need one more, please. Auntie Frida. They would like you to look at that camera. The actual camera. All right. 1, 2, 3. Thank you.
Thank you.
May I please ask my Nena Ulalia to come forward? And Auntie Thelma, please come forward. And Auntie Nana, Auntie Lila, Auntie Betsy, Uncle Eric.
That's live. That's a lie.
Come on, get a hoy. Get a hoy.
Alright, ready? It's Frida. She's holding me back. Ready?
Auntie Pat, Lila, come Auntie Pat.
I'll take one without them and then move them. Ready? 3,
Excuse me.
1. And then I'll get one ready. I'll do one without her. Ready? 3. Let's get my 3, 2, 1. Breathe in.
Lucy, can you have some photo? Come with Sarah.
Sarah, Rose,
You guys want to move this stuff?
come.
Ready?
Otta.
Ready? Sarah.
Oh, you don't like it too? No.
Ready?
Oh, sorry.
Come on, look over here. 3, 2, 1. Jump in. Ready? Last one. 3, 2, 1.
Wait, I'm coming.
Oh, how that is? Sorry, I did that.
Ready? 3,
Uncle Saya, come.
1.
Hoi.
One more, everyone. Ready? Alright, let's go. 3, 2, breathe in and out.
Thank you. Thank you for coming.
Ota and Josefo and your little family, please come forward. Supileka and Janine. When we're done, pack it in your van and then shut your noise. Wow. Tell them to just to bless their own sacred union. He's talking with you.